Okay, I'll just show you how to set the Sat Nav on this Audi A4. From any screen into Nav. In the bottom left hand corner you've got destination. You'll see in each corner there's tour, info, settings, destination. Each one of those corresponds to one of these four buttons here at the side of the rotary selector. So we want destination, that's the bottom left hand corner one. Destination, again, address, last destination, special destination, start, map, favorites, directory. So into address. We'll try postcode. So I'll just turn the circular or the rotary button until we get to town postcode. Click on that. Then you've got again a thumb wheel here. So we are Grosvenor Garage, Chorley Road, Walton Dale, Preston, PR. Then we need to go to numbers. Now numbers are in the bottom right hand corner there, 0 to 9, which corresponds to that. So 0 to 9. So we're PR5, 4, and then it's defaulted back to letters J, S, and then as you can see there, well, it said OK, and I accidentally clicked it when I was trying to show you something else, but there you go, start. So yeah, that's it done. It's showing we're on the forecourt here, so unfortunately I'm just going to settings. You can see there you can change map colors, map type, voice guidance. Now voice guidance there is off, so we'll knock that on. Complete, voice guidance, complete. So we'll just go back to destination, address, start route guidance. Yeah, we want dynamic.
Your route is being calculated.
So there you go, that's with the voice on.